Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to scan a document using the Notes app shortcut on your iPhone. I'll also show you how to edit, share, and even sign a document, making it useful where you'd need to sign your name to something. To do this, try to lay the document as flat as you can on a table in front of you. Looking at the Notes app here, press and hold or long press on Notes. In the prompt that appears, choose Scan Document. Looking at the physical document in front of you, try to line up as good as you can. Once Notes feels it hits a good shot of the document, you'll see it highlight yellow. When you're ready, hit the shutter button. If you have multiple documents to scan, go ahead and keep taking shots of the rest. You can then tap the scan button on the bottom left to review it. First, you can change the crop of the image if you want to adjust the cropping. The next button allows you to change the scan type to color, grayscale, black and white, or photo. Next, you can rotate the image if you need to, or finally delete the scan. At the top, you can retake or hit done on the top left. When you're finished, hit save. It will then save the scan inside of your Notes app. If you want to share or sign the document, tap the scan. It will then enter the edit screen. At the top right, tap the share icon. You can then share the scan with someone through AirDrop, messages, email, or more. If you want to sign the document, tap markup at the bottom. Choose your pen and color and then sign on the screen. When you're finished, hit done on the top left. And that's how you scan, edit, share, and sign documents using the Notes app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.